Officers were called to a Wawa gas station after reports of an altercation between a male and a female. When officers arrived, they spotted a vehicle matching the description speeding out of the parking lot without its headlights on. Police attempted to stop the vehicle using lights and sirens, but the male driver refused to pull over and took off at a high rate of speed.
He said you need to check the car real quick.
No, if we're going to make it back to the post, who's that? Is that one of us? Yeah, it's two. Slide that way, other side of the road. To the east, you know. Slide to the east for me.
Alright, so when it landed, it hit the car, the things, and sparked all over the place. Also, look at that pole.
Yep, so we're not going to get underneath that.
He says he was so occupied.
We're going to get close enough to peek it. Don't touch the car. Don't stand in the water. And don't be underneath that wire.
One of my Charlie outside on X-ray 11 for the 15 there. Yeah, good side open.
Front's clear. Back looks clear, but I can't see down.
I'm going to get this.
What charges did it have?
Well, at this point, just 12F on your driver.
Well, this guy was beating up a girl at some or something.
I'm going to just get close enough that I can keep down.
Bro, he said he was so occupied.
I'm just going to get close enough to look down.
Alright, now back the f out.
Hey, somebody's trying to do it. Turn around!
Charlie 517.
Oh! Turn around! Turn around!
Hey, hold up. What's going on?
That's my boyfriend car.
Are you the girl he was just beating up?
No, he wasn't being me up.
Well, he's fighting with another girl at Wawa and then
No.
fled from us. So he's in custody. He's okay.
Wait, can I stop? Can I please stop?
No, absolutely not. Look at the damage he's done at this point.
What did he do? I just
He
literally.
was
my
fighting
God.
a girl, and then he just fled in a car. Look at the pole. Look up top. It's broken in half.
Wait. I just want. Can I just see him?
No.
Please.
He is in custody. Period.
Wait. No. Oh my
I understand
God.
it's not good news, but he's okay. That's good news. But you got to go because you're in the way of us getting emergency. You're in the way of us getting emergency vehicles to stop this fire. Okay. So just go
So
on.
can I move back and then can I just
You
see
can
him?
park over there. You cannot see him. Period. But you can stand over there. You're not going to see him. Like on private property. You know what I'm saying?
Over in that parking lot.
That's the girlfriend there.
That's not the one that was in the fight though. So I don't know what's going on over there.
Are you okay? Hey, I'm Officer Marquez. Just talk to me, man. It's over. All right? What's your name, man?
Who that is over there?
I don't know who that is. They live right here.
Not talking about I'm their boyfriend.
Not this. Well, no, not this person here.
What kind of car they in?
It's like a Chevy, a white Chevy.
Who is that?
They live right here. You kind of in here. What's your name, man?
What?
What's your name? I'm Officer Marquez.
Sure.
Does your leg hurt or anything?
No.
No? Okay. Listen, you have the right to make sign. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney. I'm with you anytime during questioning. Anytime you stop talking and having to your present, unfortunately, stop the request. Do you understand these rights? Do you understand these rights? With these rights in mind, are you willing to speak to me? No? Okay. Stand out of the car. Stand up. Stand up.
Speak to you about what?
If you want to speak to me about what just occurred.
We already talking, right?
No, you understand the rights, right?
Yeah.
So you're willing to speak to me
About what?
about what just occurred? You want to talk to me?
Ain't nothing occurred.
Nothing occurred?
No.
Nobody's in the car, just you?
No.
Okay. All right. So why not?
I was driving fast, hit the corner too fast, and I hit the pole. That's what it was.
Why?
Alright, let's do that.
Come on.
Step out.
Step up. Step up. Step on up.
Before anything happens.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come over here.
See, I told you the truth. He's okay.
He's not okay to be in handcuffs.
Well, he's got to deal with his own consequences. But I mean, like, if you look at like the situation, he's okay. In other words, he's not hurt.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, look at that. That could have been a lot worse. Hey, is that your car? That's his car?
Is his car registered to you?
That's my car.
It was registered to you?
No.
Who's it registered to?
My baby mama.
Nah. What's her name? No, it's not his car. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How much money you got? How much money you got, boss?
Probably about 800.
800? Nothing inside of you?
No.
Say yeah. Yeah. I'll take a seat.
Bro, it kind of looks like.
What does that sound?
Y'all back up, bro. Bro, I wasn't expecting. I don't know, man. I ain't never seen one blow up like that for fire. They don't usually. I've never seen them explode because of fire. I mean, there is gas in there, but I ain't never seen that.
He was charged with fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement officers at high speed with wanton disregard for safety, and due to a probation violation, was sentenced to 36 months in state prison.
How to protect that.